Hi, this is War. Welcome back. In this video, we're going to solve one of the CCNA 2 lab. This is the first lab, and it's just like a physical connection. As we can see right here, is on the physical view. Let's see the logic view for this. As you can see, let's do this one. So as you can see, the connection it's been connected already, but a requirement here, they need us to connect this backup to and to the laptop right here, this one also. So we're going to move one of these and we reconnect. So we're going to be cabling here. It is simple. It should be 5 minutes to 10 minutes, and we have to score 100 for us to know if we did it right. So now we're on 0. So let's go to physical so we can see how it look like. So we go back to this. Let me make it so you can read the requirement. So this is that requirement for this lab. So I'm going to click the physical so we can see. So as you see right here, we have router, we have 2 switches, and then we have a server, and this is access point, as you can see before. And all, so when you read here, you're going to hear what they're asking you for. This one, currency cable, and this is for fiber connection, and this is straight through cable, and this is a USB. We're going to use some of these, each one of these, except the fiber cable. So the first thing first, I'm not going to go in order, but you can see on the left side here, there's like 6 objectives here we're supposed to do, and they want to show you to see how all these end devices, let me move up. So if you can look at the bottom here, I'm not sure if you can see the screen too small, but this is what they want you to be able to see. More you click, you see. So when you click on the cable, this is what you see here, a connector, and this is PC. But we're not going to use one of them. We already have what we need here. So what I'm going to do, we're going to connect the PC. The first one we're going to connect to this router, and one cable is going to go to this switch, and then we can connect the laptop to one of the backup routers. So let's do it. So the first thing first, as you can read right here, they ask you to go through these devices. That's what they're telling you. Investigate the devices in the wiring closet. Go back. We're going to concern ourselves with this. You can read all of this, but it looks like they're just showing you all this to click on that. So as you can see right here, so what are we going to do? We click on this and we just turn it on. Oh, that's too much. So it's on now, and this is the cable we're going to connect here. This is the network cable, as you can see. So I'm going to take this cable and I'm going to bring it here to, so get in front here. You can see it's going to go to the first 0/1, and this is how it's supposed to be connected to. We connect that, we got 16, so we are doing it right. And then we're going to take one of these cable based on what they're asking us to do. You always can make it bigger if you want, but that's too big. And when you click on this, you can't even see the other end. And then you're going to go to the other end here. You can see when you point the mouse to this, you can see the port, which port it is. So this is what we need. All this on this reading. So you can read, go through and see what that. So we got 50 something. So now we can bring this in. This is a backup router. And so we're going to connect this laptop to this router. This is a backup. So we're going to click on this. And as I stated, you're not going to use this. You're going to use one of these, this one. If you can't read here, it's a USB. So I'm going to take this, and so this is, as you can see, USB 0, and I'm going to get this on the back, make it bigger so you can see the port we need. Now we got that port, and so the next requirement, they need us to rename the router, this one. So let's click on this. Now just click on, they need us to click on the desktop. They want us terminal, so we can get to the, okay. So that means I need, because you're not seeing router here, that means I need to be power on. So I'm going to go to, so the power is on the back, so you can see right here. Yeah, we should be able to get in. Yes, so we got it right. So now it was not, so always make sure that you turn it on to be able to get to the right thing. All these are here, those are requirements. You can see here, let me move this around. This is what it's saying here. Go to desktop, go to terminal. So it's not something, I'm just reading what in there. And it says say now. So I'm going to say now. And enable. And then config terminal. And we're going to name this as a host name. We're going to copy this, the whole thing, so we can get it right. And so we're going to say the host name, and that, yep. So we got it right, and then say n. So now we got 100, as you can see here on the left side, we got it right. And they just want you to go requirements. So let me close that one. They want you to click on the router here and go to configuration, and that's what they're telling you, that the display name is this one, the backup router, and then that's the name, host name you give it. So that's what you're going to see on your instruction. But we got it right, so that's all you need. And then they say click on this, and then you can see. So we have two names, host name and then display name. Thank you. If you have question, let me know.